Hello everyone, in this video we will be discussing variables in Python. What is a variable? Variables are storage that contain different objects or values. Think of a container with something inside it. Basically a place in memory on your computer. So for example, if we have a variable named x and we give it the value of 100, you can think of something like this. So this is our container named x with the value of 100 inside of it. Variable rules. They can begin with letters or underscores. They may not be named after built-in functions, and names are case sensitive when they are being referred to in code. So here are some styling guidelines. Variables should be clear but not too long, and it's standard to use snake case, although you don't have to use it. So here are some examples of different variable styles for naming. So now let's talk about assigning and updating variables. So for example, if we have this code written in this text, not the red one, let's say we have a variable called myVar, and we're giving it a value of 90.7. So basically what this line is doing here is that a single equal sign assigns a value to the variable that was named myVar. And then in the next line of code, we are updating the value of the variable. So in this line, this updates the variable. Here, the new value of myVar is the original value of myVar plus 1. So based on this information, what do you think the new value of myVar is? And you were right if you said 91.7. Thank you for watching this video, and be sure to watch the next one. Bye.